Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model specifics and power needs because compatibility avoids faults later. Once ready, pick a mounting spot, dash for stability, windshield for range, and ensure it's legal in your area. Next, route the power. Identify a switch 12V source or fuse tap. This prevents constant drain. Make sure to have a hardwire kit, 1/2-inch wire routing plan, and a few zip ties. As you work, keep the detector accessible for adjustments, and note signal-facing clearance for optimal detection. Now mount the unit and complete wiring so it performs reliably. You should place the detector with an unobstructed forward view because metal or angle reduces sensitivity. Once the bracket is set, tuck the power cable under trim panels, around pillars, and secure every few inches to prevent rattles. Then make the electrical connections. Attach the fused lead to the switch 12V tap and fasten a clean ground to bare metal, tight, and paint-free. When done, check for ignition-controlled power and no loose connections. Finish by powering up and configuring core settings so the detector works how you want. You will set sensitivity, enable filters, and toggle city or highway modes to reduce false alerts. This tailors detection to your driving. Next, perform a controlled road test to confirm alerts and identify blind spots, then adjust mounting or angle if needed. If signals are weak or the unit won't power, recheck the fuse, confirm a solid ground, and inspect for antenna obstructions. This usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.